Hello everyone, this is Manoj. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, I'll show you my welcome kit which I got from EY. Last year I joined EY, so I got a welcome kit. So in today's video, I'll unbox the welcome kit. So this is the box which I got from EY. Let me open this. It contains some items. So this is which I got, and you can see this is something which is inside in this box. So like the first, this EY card, this is from the EY leaders, and another thing is this is EY mask with the EY logo. Quality is quite good. And this is, I guess, a water bottle. Yes. So again, the EY branded water bottle. This is also quite good and lightweighted. You can see the beautiful EY logo. And another thing, this is a keychain. Okay, so you can also see the EY branding over here, and on the other side we got years and the days, Sunday, Monday. Also it will show you which date, day, year, month. So very useful for each and everyone. I suppose I'll use it for my car. And another thing is this is a bag. I guess this is a duffel bag. You can see the EY branding over here, and the quality is awesome. Let me check how I can open it. Okay. So this is a duffel bag, quite big. In fact, if you are going for 2-3 days vacation, so you can use this bag. So you can use it like this. So overall, all the items are very good. So this is what is inside in this welcome kit, and part of this welcome kit, in the first month I also got this box from EY, and inside this I got a EY pen which is in black color, which is very beautiful, and a EY diary. You can see the EY branding over here, and this is something you can use a bottle holder kind of. If I try to put this, yes, kind of. And with that I also got a small plant which I have placed in my balcony, which is again a very good. So this is all what I got from EY. So this is about today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.